The world of data science is evolving faster than ever. With the rise of artificial intelligence, many are wondering, what is the future of data science? Will AI replace data scientists, or will it open new doors of opportunity? Let's explore this in depth. AI has revolutionized the way we handle data. Automated machine learning, or AutoML, and AI-driven analytics have made it easier to process vast amounts of data with minimal human intervention. But does this mean data science is becoming obsolete? Absolutely not. While AI can automate many aspects of data analysis, it still needs human expertise for critical thinking, ethical considerations, and strategic decision-making. Data scientists will shift from repetitive tasks to higher-value roles, guiding AI models, interpreting complex patterns, and ensuring ethical AI practices. The future of data science is bright. Expect to see more focus on explainable AI, real-time analytics, and ethical AI development. Companies will need skilled data professionals who can bridge the gap between AI automation and business impact. If you're a data scientist, the opportunities are expanding. From AI ethics consultants to AI-driven business strategists, new roles are emerging that require human intelligence alongside artificial intelligence. The key to staying ahead: upskilling and adapting to new AI-driven methodologies. Data science is not dying, it's evolving. AI is not a replacement, but a powerful tool that enhances what data scientists can do. The future belongs to those who embrace AI, refine their skills, and lead the data revolution. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI and data science.